Hey YouTube, I was just about to sail my Northwest freighter canoe, and going around the boat and watching for stuff. I just found out that squirrels have cut some wires. They cut these tree and they're going there. Yeah, pretty funny, eh? They went around here too. You can see the teeth. They chopped that wire here too, a bit up there. So now I need to repair this if I want to sell it. What a bunch of... Man, I don't like these animals. So now I have to work on this, because with those tree wires that have been cut, I have a check engine light on. Everything works, trim, it starts, but check engine light. So I don't know what these tree wires are, but I need to reconnect them. I'm pretty sure the problem will be solved. So people think squirrels are nice and cool. Well, they're not. Okay, so now I think I have enough room to rejoin those wires and put a shrink on them after soldering those three wires. That was triggering a check engine light when starting the outboard. So before finalizing the repair, I'm going to check if everything's okay now. Okay, so let's find out. Successful repair. It is fixed, and a little bit more protection on these wires, so was not that bad. At first I thought I would have to remove this, but I was able to remove a tie wrap there at the tip of my finger and bring the wire in front, so I was able to work with and do the repair. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down there below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.